Hello, and welcome to this quick showcase of Iot83's Application Enablement Platform. What's the big deal about Iot83's Application Enablement Platform? The big deal is to make it easy to improve your operational KPI, to dramatically lower your cost, risk, and time to market, and to give you an immediate impact on your IoT investment. Our Application Enablement Platform puts you on a completely different program timescale, and fast results translate directly to program success. The big deal? In the past, 76% of IoT programs failed to meet expectations. But not anymore. Iot83 cuts your costs, risks, and time to market to accelerate your success. With the AEP, click to configure workflows, getting started is easy. Just point your IoT devices to the platform and click through the setup process. Set up alarm and alert thresholds and actions on event controls. We have even included a powerful simulation engine for new application creation. Once done, the AEP platform automatically builds your application. Your dynamically created application now includes high-level drill-down dashboards, map and geo-fencing views, device summary views, with drill downs for all of your telemetry data, powerful analytics and insight dashboards to give you a deep understanding of device behavior, and the connectivity monitor tracks device availability. Alarm monitoring keeps track of all events, and analytics give you a clear view of system-wide behavior. Next, you can use the powerful AEP low-code workflows to make your application still more powerful. Multiple integrated connectors make it easy to connect to any data, device, or application. The ETL engine lets you transform data, create new collections, and interwork with the multiple databases provided. You always have visibility and control of all of your collections. The Function as a Service tools let you add algorithms, analytics, and business logic. The integrated page builder helps you build powerful custom dashboards. Visual flow programming helps you create new logic and new operational workflows. AI and ML workflows help you integrate new insights that you can then feed back into your custom business and IoT system logic. Identity Access Management simplifies the creation of multi-role IoT workflows. The AEP Application Builder then pulls all of this together into solutions inherently ready for scale. Add still more power with user-defined functions, or even add entire blocks of code using the AEP's full code management capabilities. Assign as much CPU, memory, and storage as you need to these powerful application components. So what's the big deal about Iot83's Application Enablement Platform? The big deal is solving the inherent complexity of IoT, streamlining application creation and application enhancements, and really giving you an IoT Application Factory for new solutions, and letting you focus on solutions, not the underlying technology. And AEP Agility means rapid application enablement. This means a streamlined path from MVP to first applications to expanded market reach. Agility and speed ties directly to new value creation for your business. The big deal is your bottom line. Up to 10 times market acceleration and 4 times improvement in the total cost of ownership, and a streamlined path to success. Iot83's AEP, easy to build, easy to launch, easy to scale. Get in touch and we'll show you firsthand the power of the Iot83 Application Enablement Platform. The Iot83 Application Enablement Platform will give you a new continuum of power, agility, and success.